Did you know people are making money on Instagram? They do it with less than 1,000 followers. In this video, I'll show you how to make money. You can make money even if you're a beginner. Instagram is no longer just for photos. It's now a business platform. If you want to turn your time into income, this video will show you exactly how. Let's break it down step by step. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money. Here's how it works. Promote products you trust. Share links in bio or stories. Earn a commission when someone buys. You don't need your own product or customer support. You just recommend solutions and get paid. Brands pay creators to promote their products. You don't need millions of followers. You need a clear niche, good engagement, and trust. Micro creators often get paid more. That's because their audience listens. Instagram is powerful for selling digital products. It's also great for online services, coaching, and freelance skills. Use Reels for reach and Stories for trust. Use DMs for sales. Your profile is your sales page. Reels are the fastest way to grow and earn. Create educational content, tips, and tutorials. Make problem-solving videos. More reach equals more followers, more income. Consistency is key to success. Instagram also pays creators directly through subscriptions. They also pay through bonuses and creator tools. This works best when you've built a loyal audience. Followers don't equal money, trust does. Focus on solving problems and giving value. Be consistent. Money follows attention when trust is built. That's how to make money on Instagram the smart way.